This is how to solve exercise 4.3, Maxima and Minima. So the function we're given is f of x is equal to negative 12x to the 5th minus 15x to the 4th plus 40x cubed plus 6. So step 1 to find the critical points is to set this equal to, is to find the derivative. So we need to find f prime of x, and we find that we use the power rule. 5 times 12, that's minus 60x to the 4th minus 60x cubed plus 120x squared. This just disappears. The next step would be to find the critical points by setting the derivative equal to 0. After we do that, we want to factor out. We can find a common factor of 60x squared. So then we'd just be left with negative x squared minus x plus 2. Yeah, all equal to 0. And we see that we can separate this into two separate parts. We'll do 60x squared is equal to 0. This is just simply x is equal to 0 because if you factor it out, it would be like that. And then this is hard to look at, so let's just move everything to this side. We'll do, and then it'll just turn into x squared plus x minus 2, and that'll still be equal to 0. Just moved it all to the other side. Plus x squared plus x minus 2. Yeah. And then we can easily factor this out to x minus 1 times x plus 2. And then these are also separate. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 1, x is equal to, whoops, that's wrong. X is equal to 1 on this side. And if we solve, x is equal to negative 2 on this side. So here we find our 3 critical points. And if we were to graph it, the graph would look something like this, where it would kind of dip at negative 2. Okay, hold on, let me redraw that. Dip at negative 2, hit 0, and then kind of just stay at like that, kind of. Our points would be negative 2, 0, and 1. So you can see that negative 2 is the local min, 0 is neither, and 1 is local max.